These banana oatmeal chocolate chip muffins are naturally sweet with bananas. Bananas with more spots are sweeter and provide extra moisture for muffins. 2 large ripe bananas. I will provide important tips throughout the recipe process. The riper they are, the sweeter your muffins will be. Mash them thoroughly to ensure they distribute evenly through the batter. 1 cup or 225 grams mashed banana. Once mashed, set the banana aside. Using a separate bowl, add 3 cups or 270 grams rolled oats or quick oats. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly. Once mixed, set the oatmeal mixture aside while you prepare the other ingredients. Then, add 2 eggs to the mashed banana. Using room temperature eggs results in a more consistent batter and a better final texture. And mix until everything is well combined. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And add 1 and 1/2 cups or 375 ml milk. Mix well until well combined. Add the oatmeal mixture to the banana mixture and gently fold the oatmeal mixture into the banana mixture. Do not overmix. Add 3/4 cup or 4.5 ounce dark chocolate chips. Gently fold in chocolate chips. Since these banana oat muffins are oil-free, they may stick, use paper liners, or grease the pan thoroughly. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Measure out the batter using a 1/4 cup scoop for even portions. If you want to add extra chocolate chips on the top of the muffin before baking, you need about 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 20 or 25 minutes. The tops should turn a light golden brown. Insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes clean, the muffins are done. Let the muffins cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes and transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or a healthier dessert. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.